Divisibility rule for 4 and 25. Divisibility rule for 4. Any number last two digits divisible by 4, the number divisible by 4. For example, 624. Last two digits 24. 24 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 624 is divisible by 4. Example 728. Last two digits is 28. 28 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 728 is divisible by 4. 25 divisibility rule చూద్దాం. Any number last two digits divisible by 25, the number divisible by 25. For example, 525. Last two digits 25. 25 is divisible by 25. Therefore, 525 is divisible by 25. Example 375. Last two digits 75. 75 is divisible by 25. Therefore, 375 is divisible by 25.